Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's session wherein we'll be discussing a question of CAT level difficulty. So the question that I have for you is right on your screen right now. Okay, you can just pause the video, try out this question, and then you can resume watching the video after matching your answer with the options given. I, however, will be discussing the question here, right? See, today the question that we have is from time, speed and distance. But likewise in other videos we have questions from logarithms, we have from geometry, we have from percentages, so basically from different areas. So in this series of videos I bring forward questions from different areas of various difficulty levels, right? There is one more category of videos that we upload on weekly basis, which are the concept videos. So if you think that you also need to understand, learn some new tricks, some new formulas, some new concepts in various topics, you can also watch those videos, right? So for that please ensure that you subscribe to our channel, right? So that you get the notification as soon as we upload a video. So for now let's go ahead with this question. So the question is, the average speed of a bike is 50 and that of a car is 70 kilometers per hour. Arjun travelled from A to B and back to A. He goes from A to B and then he comes back. While travelling from A to B, he travelled for half of the distance. So while going like this, half of the distance, let's say the point is M, midpoint M. He travelled for half of the distance by bike and the other half by car. While returning, he travelled for half of the time. So while coming back would mean while coming from B to A. Half of the time, so let's say N. So half of the time he travelled by bike and for the other half he travelled by car. Find the ratio of the onward travel time to return travel time. Now please note that in both the cases the distance travelled is the same. So that means the time travelled, the time is nothing but the basic formula that we have, distance by speed. So if he's asking us the ratio of the times, onward travel time and return travel time, can I say since distance is constant, time for onward travel time, time for return, can I say this will be nothing but, since distance is constant, speed for return journey divided by speed for onward journey. I hope this point is clear. The ratio of the time will be equal to inverse of the ratio of the speeds because distance is constant. It will cancel out. So time 1 by time 2 will be equal to speed 2 by speed 1. But now I need to understand what is speed onward, what is speed return. How do we calculate? So please note there is a small discussion point that we need to have here. When a person travels a certain distance such that he travels equal amounts of distance, so equal distances. So for example, he travels the first part of the journey at A kmph, second part of the journey at B kmph, third part at C kmph, such that the three distances are equal, then the average speed in case of equal distances, right, when person is traveling equal distances, average speed will be nothing but harmonic mean of the given speeds. Now in case a person travels a certain distance such that he travels for equal times, so he travelled this distance, let's say 2 hours at P kmph, again 2 hours Q kmph, then for the overall average speed is given as, in case of equal times it is given as arithmetic mean of given speeds. Now this is something that can be easily derived also. Why do we get harmonic mean? Why do we get arithmetic mean? Easily derived also, but I would suggest you please make a mental note of this. Now just in case you are not aware, how do we calculate harmonic mean and arithmetic mean? Harmonic mean of n numbers is given as n upon sum of the reciprocals of all the numbers. Arithmetic mean is pretty straightforward, I am sure you already know it. It's nothing but average. So sum of the numbers by a1, a2, an by number of numbers. So this is how you calculate the harmonic mean and arithmetic mean. Now here, while going forward, he travelled equal distances. So what's the speed while travelling by bike? 50, and by car 70. So thus can I say speed for the onward journey is nothing but, since he is travelling equal distances, harmonic mean of the given speeds. So what is harmonic mean of 50 and 70? 2 by 1 by 50 is 1 by 70. Correct? So 2 by, when you take the LCM, it's 70 plus 50 into 50 into 70. So when you simplify this is going to be what? 3500. 3500 into 7000 by 120. So 700 by 12, right? So speed is 700 by 12, which can be further simplified as 175. 4 goes 175 times, 4 goes 3 times. So this much kilometers per hour. This is speed for onward journey. Now what about speed for return journey? That is nothing but arithmetic mean of the two speeds. So arithmetic mean is nothing but simple average, which happens to be 60. Hence can I say my answer, time for onward and time for return, will be nothing but, my answer, I write it here, speed for return is to speed for onward journey. So when you simplify this, 3 into 60 is 180 is to 175 is here, which can be simplified further. 5 can be cancelled out. So 36 times, 5 will go 35 times. So my answer will look like 36 is to 35. So 36 is to 35 would mean option choice B here. Alright? I hope these points are clear, and these points, very basic points, are very useful when you solve questions like this. You can solve this question in a matter of a minute if you know these rules. Because harmonic mean can be directly applied, arithmetic mean can be directly applied, ratio of these two is the answer. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of the video today. Thank you and all the very best.